Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn cookies in PHP. What is a cookie? An HTTP cookie is a small piece of data sent from the website, and it would be like a stored on the user's computer by the user's web browser. While the user is browsing, the cookie were designed to be reliable mechanism for website to remember stateful information or to record the user's browsing activity. A cookie is often used to identify a user. A cookie is a small file that the server embeds on the user's computer. Each time the same computer requests a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. With the PHP, you can both create and retrieve cookie values very simple. It's a super user and a easy example I'll explain you. Create a cookie using PHP. Like I say here, the set cookie function is predefined, which is available in the PHP language. Now the syntax would be like this. Set cookie with the parameters of following like this. Like say here, name of the cookie, value, expire, path, where to be, and the domain, which domain we are going to be using this cookie, and a secure and HTTP only. We have to maintain these parameters to create a successful like a cookie. Like I see here, creating a cookie, here I am going to displaying like a very simple, exciting information. Like these lines are sufficient to make it successful. Like going to the code part, creating a new file, paste here. Yeah, just here we have to mention PHP code as well. Just a super PHP. Save it and small letters you try to make it. Otherwise, very difficult to handle such later time. Cookie.php is ready. Now you see here the cookie name is required. We have taken unique identity of any of a random number if you are generating all the times when like different browsers and different clients are going to be reaching and visiting our website. So we'll try to create like a cookie name is a unique like a user ID and a unique user like a number, the random number we have to give for cookie value. The one and two parameters are over, and next when it is going to be creating our cookie. Like a time function it is giving with along with the time for specifying 1 day validity for this cookie. Like see, it is an 80,000 86,400 means it is a 1 day into 30 days. The 30 means 30 days. Like a 1 month the validity of the cookie we are going to be set writing. And the forward slash means the like a home folder it will be there the cookie file. So like where the login form entry form is generating and initiating the path of entry of home page of user will generate a cookie. So we are giving a complete folder structure of our like what I can say that project folder. So the forward slash is sufficient here. And HTTP only means the cookie will set and generate whenever it's requesting again and again. The HTTP request only it is acceptable for our project. None of the request it will be taken, it won't be entertained. So we have to put as a parameter HTTP only at the place here. So called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters are so important to generate and setting a cookie for your web application. I hope you are understand very simple to write a super easy cookie lecture here. For more information for these cookie lectures, you visit our php.net tutorial of official. You will get super exciting offer how to set a cookie mode. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.